Good morning, YouTube family. This is Iris. I just wanted to give you a view of the garden. This is zone 6A. Today is Monday, May 15th. This is what we're looking like for our early launch. The burning bushes are in full foliage. They still have more to offer. And the porch is set up. All the plants just need to grow in. I found that if I buy the plants that I like, be it begonias or petunias for the long-term summer, and then split them up. They had a nice sale going on at Aldi's for hanging baskets for $8. Let me give you the other view of the driveway because I don't always earnestly come over to this side, but the Miss Kim lilacs will be blooming soon. I'm very excited about that. I have the, pardon my shadow, compost open so it can get water, one of our storage vehicles, but these are the hydrangeas, still waking up, but all the grass cutting and clippings. This is where we are with the garden. We just did a new bed for under that place. I have to decide if I'm gonna keep that mulch. It's a little bigger than I'm used to. Oh, the bird feeder is empty. I have to be mindful of that. The hanging baskets again were the homemade ones, and I like the blooming that they have right now as they are trying to draw the pollinators, but this is the garden. So early launch. I'm grateful for the chance to get it launched. Over the weekend, hubby and I were in our new space with the blue chairs. Very, very grateful. I felt like a Esther woman when he came out here and sat on them. And then hubby also asked that I keep the Jazz umbrella. So now I just have to find the right canopy base for it. Like, this isn't quite doing it for us, so I have to decide what we're gonna do. That is a hibiscus standard that still considers it kind of cool at night, so I have to decide. I saw them at Sam's Club marked down less than last year, so not quite sure if I'm just gonna let that one be. I probably will. And this is the original baby. So the theme for this year's garden walk will be the umbrella underbelly developments. And then the edible garden is just starting. I'm very grateful. I mean, like, really just starting. I still have plants that are in this greenhouse for protection. And then my spinach, the spinach is very sensitive, so I need these guys to grow in so they can protect it. Then the lemon balm is from last year. It's a perennial. I'll give you just a peek into this greenhouse. It has starter plants I just couldn't wait much longer for, so I just want that tomato bush in the upper left corner to make it. And then some of these I'm gonna give to my daughter, but the asparagus is still producing. We've harvested once. We have white onions, red onions, corn, the blueberry. I think I'm giving that to my daughter. Waiting on the other corn. And then red potatoes, white potatoes, tomatoes and garlic, some sunflower. This one's gonna be a bean or sweet peas, sugar snap peas, sorry, goji berry, a couple more of the hanging baskets. Again, they're just growing in, so I'm excited about, they have petunia, sweet potato vine, and I have to remember the white one. And then some more marigolds, a container pot with sunflower mix seeds, and then the exfoliated plants, trees. And we're hoping for productivity this year, that we could actually harvest. So the first on that group are the cherry trees, and we're thinking we might get quite a few cherries this year. It's exciting. And then my new BFF, the green stalk planter. So we'll talk about that in another video. Last but not least is the grapevine awakening, and this is my view from my favorite one at the bench. This is the view of the garden. I see I left out that roundup, but so early launch, grace and mercy, because it still could have a 32-degree night, and the sensitive plants could look at me like, well, I will see you later. So I still have marigolds, and over by the driveway with the smoke tree back there are the hibiscus non-perennials. The trees leveled up very nicely, gratefully so. I can still notice it a little, but the sun comes from behind me, so that draw to the sun might help them straighten up as well. But this is gardening in zone 6A, early garden launch. Thank you guys for taking the time to view the video. Thank you for your interest in gardening in my zone and what it looks like for an urban gardener. I appreciate you all so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.